Hi, I'm James with British Customs. Today we're going to show you how to install a JW speaker headlight into a 7-inch liquid-cooled stock headlight bucket utilizing the Triumph adapter ring. So to start, we're going to remove the stock headlight out of the stock bezel. You'll see you have these clips here that are holding the headlight in. There's 2 of them at the top and then there's 1 at the bottom. So you need to carefully pry these out with a screwdriver. You want to kind of keep your finger over it so that it doesn't go flying across the room or into your eye. So what you're looking to do is get the screwdriver behind here and pop it out. So I like to just put my thumb over it in the middle and pop that out, and it's nice and easy. Now it doesn't go flying. I can grab it, put it to the side. Same thing on this side. This one's a little more tricky just because you have all this in your way, but if you just keep your hand over here, you'll keep it from flying out. And then you just got to get behind it, pop it. Now as you pick it up, you can pull it out of there. Now with pulling the headlight out, you have to come out on this angle here because this clip is holding it in place. And then you just kind of move these out of the way. It should come right out. So now we need to install this adapter ring onto the headlight. So we're going to start by removing the clips in the back here. Got a 2.5 millimeter Allen. And now you want to look at the ring, and it's marked, it says top. This is your top screw. You'll notice this clip is what comes into this clip here. So this goes up the top, right where it says top. So here's your top. You can make a mark if you really wanted to, so when you're looking at the back side, you know you're going to the top, if that'll help you. But basically this lines up in the center of this bracket right there. So pop that ring over. Make sure that that hole is lined with the top. It is. And then we can put these back on. Okay. Once that ring is installed, now we're ready to install it into the bezel. Make sure that we've got our clip here going into that spot there. Just kind of slide it underneath there. And you want to make sure that this tab, if it's hitting these on the side, then it might keep this from actually centering in the ring. So you want to try and just get them so that they're going underneath that. You may have to lift it a little bit with a screwdriver if it's not cooperating. And now we need to install the clips back in. So we're going to reuse 2 stock ones, and then you have 2 more that come in the adapter ring kit. So we want to put one up at the top, right there. And again, we're going to push the headlight into position, make sure it's under there. I'm going to put the other stock one down at the bottom. Now we can put the 2 that come from the kit on the side. So what you're looking to do is get this so it's up underneath there. And then start putting it into place. Put pressure with your finger on there. Get it down as far as you can. And then we just push with a screwdriver and keep applying pressure with your finger until it pops in. As you push, you keep putting pressure with your finger just until it gets in there. So now it's ready to install back into the stock bucket. So that's all you really need to get that together. Hope that helps, and thanks for watching.